Hi guys, I'd shown you how to download the aLive app from the App Store. Now I'm going to show you how to create an event. So go ahead to the main screen of the iPhone to where you have downloaded the aLive app. This is how it looks. I'm going to double click on that and it opens up the login screen. There are two ways to log in to the aLive app. One is to log in with your Facebook account, or the other way is new user. You can press new user and it asks you your display name you want to show others on the invitee list. When you invite people, what display name to use. You got email address, password, and a confirmation of the password. The other important field is the mobile number. It uses your mobile number and it links your email address together. Most people save contacts in their phone with your mobile number, so it's important to put in the accurate mobile number here. Otherwise you won't be invited and it won't show that you have the aLive app downloaded. Your mobile number and your email address is stored in the backend system. It's not shared. Let me cancel out of here, go back to the login screen and log in with Facebook. Now if you have questions, you can always press the help me. It'll pull up an email and you can send us your questions. Go to log in. There you go, it's logged in. Now this is the main screen. It's called the event list. You see the tab at the bottom. The highlighted red tab is the one you are in. It's the event list tab. Two major sections: received invitations and my events. Received invitations is when you receive an invitation from your friends or family, whereas my events are the ones you create. So I'm going to go ahead and create a new event and be the event owner. Top right hand side, create new event. If you press that, it opens up a screen, the create event screen. Most of the fields are mandatory here. So as an example here, I'm going to create an event called test with the date of today. Event type, you decide. There are different event types. I'm just going to select happy birthday. Give it a description of who the birthday boy or girl is. So I'm putting test here, but you can put in a more descriptive information there. Location, the location where this birthday party is going to happen. I'm giving an example here with Plano. And then there's an agenda which you can send in so people know when this event is going to start and when it's going to end. For this test purpose, I'm just going to put in the time. Right now it's 21:37, so I'm just going to put 21:38 as an example. And an end time is important. It obviously has to be beyond the start time. Another example, I just put it 3 minutes, the event to be 3 minutes. Now before I go into the invitee list, it's important that you see the invitee list. Either you create a group if it is more than one member you're inviting, and you can create a group under contacts. If it's only one person, then you just press the invitee. If it's single person, it'll be the members, and this shows up all your contact list and you can search for them. In my case, I've created a test group and I'm going to invite my test group. There you go, press create. The next thing you'll see is the level of notifications that your invitees will get. It'll inform them 1 hour before or 5 minutes before the event is going to start. Now you see a separate line here that's for non-aLive users. In my test group, all of them have aLive app. But if there was someone who did not have an aLive app, then it'll show you under that there is one user, and it'll try to send an SMS to them after your confirmation. So no SMS is going to be sent until you confirm it. You can cancel out and say, I don't want to send an SMS. But I'll show that at a later time. For now, all of them have a aLive app. And I press next. You can add gift registry information to the event. In my case, I'm not going to add any gift registry. You could add store name, URL, and the registry info. I'm just going to press skip. And there you go. The event is created. Now, when you create an event, each event has an event ID. Now, if you want to send, let's say that you send it to 4 contacts and you want to send, okay, I want to open it up to like 50 more people. I'm not going to put in contacts or create a group. Then what you can do is go into the event details. Every event has an event ID. For example, this one is 919. And you can send an email saying, hey, join into event ID 919. And then whoever gets that, they open up their aLive app and come here and they say, I have an event ID. And they enter the event ID 919 and they can join into that event. Now, once you have an event created like this, you press start. And this means you're getting ready to broadcast. And when you're getting ready to broadcast, it's saying, make sure you don't press this iPhone back the button, because the moment you press that home button, it's going to stop the broadcast. That's a warning. So I say okay to the warning. And notice the 2 play and stop button and the counter here. Right now it's all zeroed out. That means you're not broadcasting. The moment you press the play button, you'll see the counter stepping. You're going live now. You're broadcasting live to all those who you invited. At this point, let's say for some reason you need to stop and you press the stop, though it's not the end time yet, but you're going to stop it. So you just press the square button. I'm fat fingering it, but you press the stop button. It'll ask you, do you want to stop broadcasting? Say okay. And you have the option to buy it now or buy it later. At present, I'm just going to say buy it later. And you come back to the main screen. Your end time is not done, so the event will still show up. You have the option to go back into start and restart the event. And all of that event will get recorded and you can download it at any time or buy it at any time you want. So that shows you how to create a new event and how you become an event owner. You can view the invitees, those who were invited, as an example.